Here we go. This is the 2025 harvest starting, the preservation of it. And I just wanted to show you what I've got so far. There's some oregano back there. I'm working on drying that. Peas, I have another gallon bag in the freezer. I didn't have a lot of peas. The onion rings, I have 4 bags of those, although we have eaten 1 bag. That's because they're so delicious. 2 bags of peppers that just started today. That's some sliced for fajitas and others just chopped for cooking. I have 8 jars there of strawberry no sugar jam. We ate 2, so there were 10. 8 jars of blackberry no sugar jam. And then we have some blackberry gelato. That's my first time making it, really good. I have 15 jars of carrots, and I'll be getting more carrots, probably that many more. 7 jars of pickled beets. That's all of my beets, I'm sorry to say, because we love beets. And then 18 jars, I believe it is, of green beans. There might be a few more green beans, but I wouldn't say a lot. It's been too warm for them. So anyway, just wanted to let you see that harvest is starting for 2025.